Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today this 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 is this is the plant. Uh, at guys, naka-medyas tayo ngayon. Ang ganda. Yun. Dahil natin yung 20. Yun. Bakit ayaw yung 10? Okay na guys. Focus tayo sa 10. Tapos ang hirap na ng tarte. Yan guys. Yun. Yan guys na kailangan. Yan guys. Up to the next game. Okay, this is
Alex,
the
ito na
toy.
yung camera sa'yo. Ayos mo.
Ayun guys, this is a shooting game. Ganito, di ba? Ganito guys, Ganun, no? Oh, it's not easy as you think.
Tinapong ko.
Ayun guys, this is the shooting game. This is just shooting game, guys. Ganyan lang, wow! Diba guys? Ang ganda. At tingnan nyo guys,
Bigyan ko.
At guys, binigyan ako binigay sa akin ni mama, lollipop. Kasi binigay ito ng boss niya. Kasi malapit na raw Christmas. Ay guys, nag-tank market na ba kayo? Let me know in the comments below. At guys, bye! Like and subscribe, comment, share. Bye! Bye guys! Bye guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share.